Hello students, be ready for maths class. I am Jayesh Patel. Hope you all are well and doing your study properly. Today we are going to learn chapter 5th lines and angles from standard 7 mathematics. But before starting exercise, please go through this video and notes. You will be facing this type of sums up to standard 10th. So it's very important chapter and hence be careful. So, let's start the journey of chapter 5th, lines and angles. Students, please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you. In previous standard, you have learned that a line segment has two endpoints. So, example is given, line segment AB. Second, a line has no endpoints. So line PQ. Third, a ray has one endpoint, namely its starting point, that is ray XY. Please see the diagram. X is the endpoint and Y has the arrow. So please remember, line segment AB is equal to line segment BA. Line PQ is equal to line QP. But ray XY is not equal to ray YX. It's clear? Please remember this. Complementary angles. When the sum of the measure of two angles is 90, the angles are called complementary angles. It's clear? क्या बताया इसमें? अगर दो एंगल्स का टोटल अगर 90 होता है तो उसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स कहते हैं. Following are the example of complementary angles. First, angle AB is equal to 50 and angle PQR is equal to 40. Now 50 plus 40 is equal to 90. So the ABC and PQR both are complementary angle. Example second, angle LOT is equal to 15 and angle JOY is equal to 75. So please add this 15 and 75 will give you 90. So again it's a complementary angle. Third one, angle XYZ is equal to 8 and angle CRY is equal to 82. 8 plus 82 is equal to 90. So again it's a complementary angle. Here you can check that the total of two angles are 90 and hence called complementary angles. Whenever two angles are complementary, each angle is said to be the complement of the other angle. In the above first example, the 50 angle is the complement of the 40 angle and vice versa. It's clear? Good. Now for your more information, acute angle measures less than 90 degree. मतलब जो एंगल का measures 90 से कम रहता है उसे acute angles बोलते हैं. Now right angle measures 90 degree. जो एंगल का मेजर एग्जैक्टली 90 डिग्री है, ज्यादा भी नहीं और कम भी नहीं, उसे राइट एंगल बोलते हैं. ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल्स मेजर्स मोर देन 90 डिग्रीज. जो एंगल का मेजर्स 90 से ज्यादा होता है उसे ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल बोलते हैं. इट्स क्लियर? नाउ थिंक, डिस्कस एंड राइट. फर्स्ट, कैन टू एक्यूट एंगल्स बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट टू ईच अदर? आंसर इज मे बी और मे नॉट बी. व्हाई? सो see the explanation. For maybe 10 and 80 both are less than 90. It means both are acute angle and the total of 10 and 80 is equal to 90. Second example 30 60, again total is 90. Now second, for may not be. Suppose एक एंगल का मेजर 20 है और दूसरे का 60 है. देखो इसका टोटल 90 नहीं होता है. दोनों एक्यूट एंगल पर टोटल 90 नहीं होता है, मतलब ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल नहीं है. नाउ 70 80, 70 और 80 दोनों 90 से कम है, उसका टोटल 150 हो जाता है, तो ये भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंगल नहीं है. इज क्लियर? सेकेंड, कैन टू ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट टू ईच अदर? आंसर इज सिंपली नो. व्हाई? ट्राई टू थिंक. थर्ड, कैन टू राइट एंगल्स बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट टू ईच अदर? अगेन आंसर इज नो. व्हाई? ट्राई टू थिंक. Supplementary angles. When the sum of the measure of two angles is 180, the angles are called complementary angles. When two angles are supplementary, each angle is said to be the supplement of the other. Following are the examples of complementary angles. 180, it's clear 100 plus 8 is equal to 180. So it's a supplementary angles. 90, again supplementary. 35 and 145, it's again supplementary. 175 and 5, again it's a supplementary. Students, you can see the figure 5.6 on page number 96 in mathematics textbook. Now think, discuss and write. First, can two obtuse angles be supplementary? No. Try to think why. Second, can two acute angles be supplementary? So again answer is no. Try to think why. Third one, can two right angles be supplementary? Answer is yes. Explanation is 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. It means the two right angles be supplementary of each other. Now adjacent angles. Please see the diagram. Three rays is given, ray BC, ray BA and ray BD. Okay. Now for this, these angles are such that they have a common vertex. As per diagram, vertex B is a common. Now second, they have a common arm, that is ray BA in two angles ABC and angle ABD. B is a vertex that is common and ray BA again it's a common in both the angles. And third, the non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. Non-common कौन सा है? आर्म BC एंड आर्म BD. BC आर्म BA के एक साइड पे है और आर्म BD BA के दूसरी साइड पे है. तो जिसमें एक वर्टेक्स कॉमन है, एक आर्म कॉमन है और बाकी के दो आर्म कॉमन आर्म के अलग अलग साइड पे है, उसे एडजेसेंट एंगल्स कहते हैं. Such pairs of angles are called adjacent angles. Adjacent angles have a common vertex and a common arm but no common interior points. It's clear? Now for the diagram, see figure 1 and 2 in try this section on page number 97 in mathematics textbook. Now think, discuss and write. First, can two adjacent angles be supplementary? Yes, it can be. Second, can two adjacent angles be complementary? Again, answer is yes, it can be. Third, can two obtuse angles be adjacent angles? Yes. Fourth, can acute angles be adjacent to an obtuse angle? Again, answer is yes. Student, please try to draw the diagram for this 4 point for your reference. It's clear? Now, linear pair. A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Student, please note the definition. A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. First diagram, adjacent angle is given. Okay. Now, one rays point towards the left side and the other rays point towards the right side. It's a linear pair. It's clear? While in second, the two rays that is on the left side, on the right side, both are not the opposites of each other. So it's not a linear pair. Now in figure 1 above, observe that the opposite rays, which are the non-common side of angle A and angle 2, form a line. Thus, angle A plus angle B amounts to 180. The angle in a linear pair are supplementary. Now in second, are angle 3 and angle 4 are a linear pair? Answer is no. Try to find out the answer. Why? Okay. Now think, discuss and write. Can two acute angles form a linear pair? Answer is no. Can two obtuse angles form a linear pair? Again answer is no. Can two right angles form a linear pair? Answer is yes. Student, please try to draw a diagram for these 3 points from the given information. It's for your reference. Now vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles so formed are equal. Look at the figure. The four angles formed angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Angle 1 is vertically opposite to angle 3 and angle 2 is vertically opposite to angle 4. Student please pay attention. यहाँ पे दो लाइन एक दूसरे को पॉइंट ए ओ पे इंटरसेक्ट करती है, लाइन एल एंड लाइन एम. तो वहां पे आपने देखा कि टोटल 4 एंगल्स फॉर्म होते हैं, एंगल 1, एंगल 2, एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 4. करेक्ट. सो तो एंगल 1 और एंगल 3 को वर्टिकली अपोजिट कहते हैं, एंगल 2 और एंगल 4 को भी वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल कहते हैं. इट्स क्लियर नाउ. और एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 3 both are equal and angle 2 and angle 4 again both are equal. It means vertically opposite angles are equal. Now let's try to prove this using geometrical idea. Please see the diagram. Let's consider two lines L and M. We can arrive at this result through a logical reasoning as follows. Let L and M be two lines which intersect at O, making angles angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. We want to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. बरोबर. हमने ऊपर देखा कि एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 3 इक्वल है, एंगल 2 एंड एंगल 4 बोथ आर इक्वल है. बरोबर है. पर ऐसा कैसा होता है, चलो उसके लिए हम लोग प्रूव देखते हैं. नाउ angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus angle 2 because angle 1 and angle 2 form a linear pair. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Correct? That is statement 1. Now for similarly angle 3 is equal to 180 degree minus angle 2. Since angle 2 and angle 3 form a linear pair, so angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. This is statement number 2. Now therefore, from statement number 1 and statement number 2, we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. That is from 1 and 2. Similarly, we can prove that angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Now, you have to try this by yourself. It's clear? Now some brief summary of this chapter. First, complementary angles are a pair of angles, the sum of whose measure is equal to 90. Supplementary angles are a pair of angles, the sum of whose measure is equal to 180. Student, please pay that attention. This is the difference between the complementary and supplementary angles. Now adjacent angles have a common vertex, a common arm, and non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. Next, adjacent angles have no common interior points. Next, a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Next, angles in a linear pair are supplementary. And last, vertically opposite angles are opposite to each other and these angles are equal in measures. It's clear, everyone? Very good. Students, please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.